Gaza Nation, ask her why she vexed with me. Ask her why she angry at me. She pray me, Gaza Nation. So me I talk to too much girl, but me I tell her so they're just fans. Right?
There's a difference between talking to girls and groupies.
Groupies are also fans, baby. They need to be treated like fans. You gotta treat them with love.
You gotta treat them like groupies.
They're gonna buy the tickets and come to the shows, baby.
On the nail?
No, the nail on the head.
I think I've been drinking too much.
Yeah, drink, baby. Drink me, baby. Drink
and
me,
I don't
baby.
Drink.
She does drink.
I don't drink.
She only drink. She only drinks when she's angry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will go over some clips regarding Sidem finally confronting Vybz Kartel about his flirtatious behavior with his fans in Panama. So we have a lot to get into, but before we do that, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned. So everybody's been seeing the videos with Kartel and his fans, aka according to Sidem groupies, and Sidem is not happy about it. You could see it on her face when she came out of the Gucci store, and you know, we were seeing just Kartel and the fans only. We weren't seeing her. Well, they went live last night and she confronted him, and this is what they actually were going back and forth. This is what happened. Check this out.
Isn't it?
Yeah,
oh, somebody said
attention seeker like them girls.
Somebody said, kiss me, baby. I want to seek attention now.
I don't seek attention.
Who is seeking attention, baby? Tell me. No, don't tell them. Tell me.
All the girls that are around you.
Whisper in my
get
ear.
Your attention.
No, baby. Why would you say that? They're not. They're just friends. Isn't it? Gaza Nation, ask her why she vexed with me. Ask her why she angry at me.
Sidem, you have. Oh, I missed it. Sidem, you have what?
I don't know. I don't see shit.
Oh, look, he's standing up for me.
I will stand up for you forever, baby. You know that. You know that. Kiss her. Because the girl was singing anything or anything. Boom. Gaza Nation, pray me, Gaza Nation. So me I talk to too much girl, but me I tell her so they're just fans. Right?
There's a difference between talking to girls and groupies.
Groupies are also fans, baby. They need to be treated like fans. You gotta treat them with love.
You gotta treat them like groupies.
They're gonna buy the tickets and come to the shows, baby.
Head on the nail?
No, the nail on the head.
I think I've been drinking too much.
Yeah, drink, baby. Drink me, baby. Drink
and
me,
I don't
baby.
Drink.
She does drink.
I don't drink.
She only drink. She only drinks when she's angry.
You can't make me angry.
Read between the lines. Let me make you angry. You know who make you angry?
Who?
People that shouldn't make you angry, baby.
Groupies.
You know what? I don't do this video, you know. I don't know where you're talking about.
Who are you talking about?
So who are you talking about? What
I don't know, because everyone online's been chatting, saying this, that, and the other, so I thought you were referring to that.
Oh.
See it there?
No, baby, I know you're a singer.
See it there?
See it, yeah.
You can get jealous.
Somebody said, pull up. You know if it's a suck your mother?
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
Huh?
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
That's grammatically wrong, you know that, right?
I don't care. Suck every single person's mother.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying it wrong, baby.
Suck your mother.
That's how you say it. Well, behave yourself.
For them being rude to me, but they can say bye to me.
They literally just said it, baby.
No, they never said bye to me.
Yes.
No. Bye. See? No one said bye to me.
Hey, look at me.
So why can't they say bye to me after what you've done?
Gaza Nation. Gaza Nation. My life is a drama, you know.
No, but hold on. Why?
Go on if you want.
Hold on. Why
Yeah.
can't they say bye?
You want me to call them to say
Yeah,
bye?
I want them to.
Anna, 1 second, please. I never officially introduced you because she was angry at me. So now let me introduce you. Anna, this is Sidem.
So who's the Anna?
She's Anna.
Wait, let's get this off live because
Why are you laughing, man?
See them in her feelings big time. It look like she see all of the video them where they circulate with Cartel and her fans sorry, and she in her feelings big time. And you see how she a drink, you know them say when you drink you show your true feelings. Remember me tell you, if in her feelings with a person, I see them that she not hide nothing. But I mean, everybody knows the Cartel girl is him sing the song. Not saying it's right, but as an artist, the fans them are gonna come in at the DMs in person. You just have to strong. Look at shot it even for years. She just say a word. Say them not ready for this. You have to strong for the artist. God go with you. On to the next topic. Guess who Usher brought out on stage? Massacre. It's a big thing. It's a big thing. You wanna know Usher? Let me see. At the R&B artist was sing this song. We say, "Let it burn, let it burn." Yeah, him. All right. So check out that video. It's a big thing.
Something to remember. Hey, the world freeze at the end of your pretty like a dolly, can you please take the center? See your Joe, me go chillin', what can get tender, you look like a bell. Really like to just live life for sure. Save the life for you, and die for us, Save the life for you, really like to just live life for sure.
It's a good look, more bigger and international audience, you know. Big look for Massacre, big thing. All right, glad to see that. Yeah, man, growth from here, so up, big up, me proud as a Jamaican. But anyways, guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Tell me what you think, both of them. Do you think she's not made for this? She's not cut out for this? Because remember, I know she had to deal with this for 20 years. Wait, I don't even know how much how old our Cartel son then. But she had to deal with this about 20 years. He have to strong in this for the other artists. Tell me if you don't think she's not ready. If you don't think say she overreact. Or if you don't think say Cartel wrong. Tell me what you think in the comment section. But see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share. Bye.